On my number 2 fan brush, I just loaded some lime yellow. Look at that, the difference in color between this and that. In fact, I've loaded that same lime yellow, but since the colors which I used previously were retained on my brush, I'm getting that effect. And let's reflect it in the water. For that, I'll just drop it in like that. Make sure that the size is almost identical. Okay, something like that. And I want it to be free. And let's go ahead and drop in a few grasses there. Just like that. Just trying to blend them now itself, because once they dry up it's hard to blend. So now it's some white, brown, and just a touch of blue. That same blue which I use in the sky and the water, that is cobalt blue. Okay, something like that. Now to that very same color I've added in a bit of orange, and I'll drop it in right over here. Maybe we need to lighten it up a bit. And some comes off over here too. That includes the reflection also. I've lightened it up by 45% approximately, and I'll just drop that over here. Maybe here it will get brighter. So with this, I come to the end of the blocking in part. Stay tuned for the part 2 of this video, and thanks for watching.